Hey guys, welcome back. Today's recipe, I'm making a very easy ooey gooey strawberry shortcake. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Also, thumbs up the video if you like it. Without further ado, let's make it. Alright, I told you guys this was going to be a very easy recipe, so yeah, we're using cake mix, okay? I am going to sift it before I start mixing everything together. So basically, I follow the direction on the box, which is just flour, water, and oil, and then I'll use my hand mixer to mix it. You can also use a spatula if you like, if you don't have a hand mixer, okay? Once you are done, you're going to pour it in a baking dish, and make sure you spray your baking dish because I did not do it. I forgot. Don't be like me, okay? So just spray it, or with some butter, whatever you have in hand. Maybe some oil too will do. And then just bake it based on the direction on the box. Alright, there you have it, all done in golden brown. Okay, I am using a toothpick just to make sure my cake is fully cooked, and yes, it was. Now moving on, I'm going to cut up some strawberries, okay? Make sure you wash them. Just cut them up just like that, okay? Or you can cut them up however you want. This is just the design that I was going for. Alright, once I am done with the strawberries, we're going to set it aside. Moving on, I am going to melt some chocolate chips. We're going to melt some chocolate chips for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until they're nice and melted, okay? And then I'll be pouring in 1 can of condensed milk, okay? Not evaporated milk, condensed milk. There's a difference. So just pour that in just like that and mix it all up together. Now I am going in with some strawberry flavored Jello. I am going to pour that in there just like that. Oh my god, this is going to be so good, you guys. Just mix it all until it's well combined just like that. You can see how it's already pink or red, I don't know, strawberry color. And then we're going to set it aside. With my cake, I am going to poke some holes in there just like that, okay? Just poke some holes really quickly just like that. Alright, once I am done poking all my holes, I am just going to pour all of that goodness on top of it, okay? Pour it in there in the holes. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good, so stay tuned. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up yet, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up because this is going to be good. Now I am going to add in some strawberry filling in there. Now these come in a can, so I'll put the name down below for you guys if you're trying to remake this so you can have the exact same ingredients that I use. And trust me, you do not want to skip that step. It is the bomb. Just spread it all over just like that. And I am going to add some whipped cream. Now I used the wrong whipped cream, you guys. Make sure you use the one in the container, not this one, because this one melts really fast and it just makes the whole thing look messy. And yeah, that was not a good look at all. So make sure you use the one in the container. the whipping cream, not this one. And then I am just going to place my strawberries on top, and basically I am going to put it in the fridge for about, I'll say 10 to 20 minutes, and there you have it, the most delicious strawberry shortcake. Oh my god, all that goodness we made with the chocolate chip, the white chocolate chip, is all in the cake. And it's so wet, it's so juicy, it's not dry. Oh my god, it was delicious. You have to give this a try, guys. This is the bomb.com. Hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. Let's get this video to at least 400 likes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.